guys, welcome to Easy Peasy Gardening. My name is Ruchi and today I am going to show you how to grow tomato plants from a tomato. Yes, so here is a tomato and all you need to do is cut some slices, put them in the soil and then wait for them to grow. So here I have two small planters in which I have just placed the slices of tomatoes. One is the beefsteak tomato and the other one is the grape tomatoes, and watered it, and now I'm going to cover it with the soil. So I've covered it with soil and watered it, and now I'm just going to cover it with a plastic bag and leave it on the deck, and let's see how many days does it take to for these tomato seeds to germinate. So here is how they look after about 3 weeks. As you can see, so many seedlings have come out just from those tomato slices that I had put in there. Basically, I put the slices in and covered it with a plastic sheet so that the soil stays moist and warm, and so many seedlings grew. So I think this is a fantastic way to grow your tomato plants. So the only thing you have to consider is that while using this method to grow your tomato seedlings from the tomato, you must use heirloom tomatoes. You know, heirloom tomatoes are naturally producing good tomatoes and a good yield. So the seeds from those tomatoes will also naturally produce a good crop and a good tasting tomato. Now, hybrid tomatoes like these are not designed to produce the best seeds. They are designed to produce this tomato, this best tomato, best looking tomato and best tasting tomato. But when you take the seeds from it, it will grow, but it may not give you the best tomato or a similar tasting tomato. So you will grow this plant and you will care for it and everything, and at the end of it, it may not produce any fruit or it may not produce good fruit. So it's better that you use the heirloom tomatoes to grow your seedlings by this method. So I think that's about it. If you have any questions, leave a comment and I'll try to answer as soon as possible. If you like this video, press the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye. Happy gardening.